The cinema world is bracing for impact. A seismic shift is coming to the compact camera market, and it's happening in just a few days. Forget everything you thought you knew about the balance between size and performance, because Sony is about to drop a bomb. We're talking about the rumored Sony FX5, and the whispers from the industry aren't just saying this is an upgrade, they're calling it a revolution. This isn't just a new camera, it's a paradigm shift that could make the hybrid camera obsolete for serious filmmakers. If you care about cinematic image quality, portability, or having the absolute best tools in your bag, you need to pay attention. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the official announcement, and share this with your DP buddy, because the Sony FX5 is being built to tear up the rulebook. For years, filmmakers have had to make a painful choice. Do you buy the compact, run-and-gun FX3, or do you step up to the heavier, more expensive FX6? The FX5 is Sony's answer to that dilemma, and according to leaks, they aren't just splitting the difference, they are aiming for the gold standard. Positioned strategically between the FX3 and FX6, this camera is rumored to inject the DNA of the legendary Sony Venice 2 into a body that can fit in a small backpack. This isn't a minor spec bump, it's a complete reimagining of what a professional cinema camera can be. Let's dive into the core, the heart of this beast. Sources indicate that Sony has developed a brand new, 16.6 megapixel stacked full-frame sensor, paired specifically with a new Bionz XR2 image processor. This combination is the secret sauce. We're talking about a massive leap in sensor readout speed, which translates to the kind of low rolling shutter that you usually only find on massive studio rigs. This is a game changer for fast-paced work, handheld gimbal shots, and any situation where you need to move fast without the jello effect. Beyond just speed, the dynamic range is expected to be a head-turner. By moving to a new color science pipeline, the FX5 is rumored to deliver approximately 16 stops of dynamic range. Combined with a triple base ISO system, speculated to be at 800, 3200, and 12800, this camera will make low-light shooting look like it was shot during the day, preserving shadow detail without the noise. It's about getting the shot, no matter the conditions. But hardware is only half the story. The autofocus on the Sony FX5 is expected to receive a major intelligence upgrade. Using advanced AI processing, the system is moving past simple face/eye detection. We are looking at real-time recognition for humans, animals, birds, insects, cars, and even planes. For documentary filmmakers and sports shooters, this means the camera is smart enough to anticipate where the action is going, essentially becoming a second operator. Image quality is where the FX5 is rumored to seriously separate itself from the pack. This camera is reportedly not just a video camera, it's a professional image-making tool. The most exciting leak so far points to 5K open-gate recording in a 3:2 aspect ratio. This is huge for modern content creation. It means you can shoot once, and in post, extract a 16:9 widescreen for broadcast, a 9:16 vertical for TikTok/Reels, or a 2.39:1 cinematic crop, all from the same high-resolution file. For the pros working in high-end color grading, the FX5 is rumored to support internal 16-bit XOCN recording. This is the same high-end codec found in the Venice, offering immense color data and flexibility for VFX and green screen work. Reports also suggest that Sony might release a firmware update down the line that unlocks 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, giving users an insane slow-motion capability shortly after purchase. Now, let's talk about the build. The FX5 is rumored to maintain the familiar FX3 body style, but with a slightly chunkier build to handle the extra thermal demands of high-end processing. Weighing in at around 750 g, it will remain highly portable. The design features a new, brighter, fully articulating 3.5-inch touchscreen. Perhaps most interestingly, leaks point to a removable electronic viewfinder, EVF, that tilts, providing a reliable viewing option for outdoor shoots where glare is an issue. For audio, Sony is doubling down on quality. The optional XLR handle is expected to be compatible with 32-bit float recording. This is a safety net for audio. It means you never have to worry about clipping or distortion again, allowing you to capture professional quality sound without a dedicated audio mixer. Connectivity-wise, dual card slots support both SD, UHS-2 and CFexpress Type A cards, ensuring you have redundancy for paid gigs. Interestingly, the rumors suggest Sony is making a bold statement with this camera. Reports indicate the FX5 is skipping an internal ND filter, SSD recording, and even a dedicated photo mode. This isn't an oversight, it's a strategic choice. By removing these features, Sony is doubling down on the idea that the FX5 is a pure, unadulterated cinema tool, not a hybrid that tries to do everything but excels at nothing. So, when can you get your hands on it? The industry whispers point firmly to July 22 as the announcement date. We are literally days away. As for the price, the rumor mill suggests a figure that sits comfortably between the FX3 and FX6, making it a compelling upgrade for those with an FX3 and a potential gateway for those who were eyeing the FX6 but couldn't justify the price. Who is this camera actually for? First, the solo documentary filmmaker. The AI autofocus and low-light capabilities mean you can walk into any environment and know you will capture the story with cinematic quality, even if you are a one-person crew. For commercial creators, the open gate aspect ratio is a workflow miracle. You can shoot a single interview or product shot and deliver a horizontal version for YouTube and a vertical version for social media simultaneously, saving hours of post-production time. For wedding videographers, the compact size and massive dynamic range mean you can shoot intimate moments or dance floors with ease, without intimidating your subjects. And for the budding film student? This camera puts the power of a professional cinema rig into your hands, allowing you to learn on gear that has the same color science and codecs as the big studios, without needing a massive budget. 630, the FX5 is shaping up to be the final piece of the puzzle for Sony's cinema lineup. It represents a convergence of bleeding-edge AI, professional-grade image quality, and unrivaled portability. It's the kind of camera that makes you rethink your entire workflow because it just works better. If these leaks hold up, the FX5 won't just be another camera release, it will be a landmark moment. It brings the Venice spirit to the masses, empowering creators to tell better stories without being hindered by their gear. And with the official reveal rumored for July 22, the wait is almost over. The filmmaking community is holding its breath. We will be right here the second the news drops, breaking down every spec, every feature, and everything you need to know. Make sure to hit that bell icon to get the notification. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please hit the like button, it helps a ton, and subscribe for more high-quality camera news and reviews. Drop a comment below, are you buying the FX5 on day one? Let us know. I'll see you in the next one.